Well, today we went down to our local hobby shop and just needed a couple of cans of paint for another project. And we saw these little tanks here. So me and the wife are always looking for new ways to beat up on each other. So we thought we'd give these a try. What do we got here? We got a heng 130 scale real RC tank. It's got the IR battle tank. So it's got the infrared thingy bobby when you shoot each other. You should kill each other. So that's kind of cool. Sounds like it shouldn't leave any bruises. So let's open it up and have a quick look and see what we got here. Little itty bitty tank. I noticed Adam was pretty thrilled with his big tank, so I thought I'd jump on board of that gravy train there and get a little itty bitty tank. Because things are small in my world. First off, we have battery and instructions. That's kind of cool. And we have a tank. You got little push sticks, little stick extenders. They just push in. Careful not to push too hard, I would imagine. So let's see if we can get some more batteries. Let's need two. One from that other pack. All right. The batteries in our controller. Machine gun mounted onto our tank. Let's turn this baby on and see if she rolls. Tracks, moves. Okay, so we turn the power on, we got lights flashing. Let's hit the start button and see what happens. Whoa! Bunch of machine gun action. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Turret rotation. There we go. You only get 10 shots. And then you got no more shots with your infrared. After that, she's machine gun. Apparently you can still make a kill with a machine gun. So we'll have to see. So we got both of the tanks. We got the, let me get the numbers right here. There's that side. It's not there. It's not there. It's not there. And we're back to that one. Oh, there it is. It's on the back apparently. Okay, so we have the heng 130 scale battle tanks, IR battle tanks. This one is number 384101, and this one is 384102. So heads or tails, which one's going to be the wife's, and which one's going to be mine, or whether we're going to fight about it all the time, see which drives who. Anyway, we got a couple little tanks, so we're going to charge the batteries up, then we're going to go and have a little battle here, and see who can go boom boom the best.